What's going on, YouTube? It's your girl Alicia Monroe, and this is Sister King. Oh yeah, y'all know what we here for. We here to react to Doja Cat featuring The Weeknd. First of all, did y'all miss me? Because I've been on vacation and I seen bitches took leads, and you know what? I am proud of that. Do your thing, come into your own. But you know what? Y'all know y'all miss me. Y'all know. But anyway, today we're going to react to Doja.
Doja Cat featuring The Weeknd, the video called You Right. I done heard some good things about this video, and I've been holding my teeth.
What, bitch? What kind of bitch did this damn song?
Holding my teeth because somebody want to go on vacation and sit on beaches and shit. But
that shit was
she here now, and we here to react to this video. So I know y'all been asking for it, so let's get into it. And we finna get y'all the rest of the album. After this, we going straight to the rest of the album, finishing it up. She already listened to the first 4 songs. I listened to it with y'all, and we gonna finish the rest of the album. Alright?
Yeah.
So let's get into it. Doja Cat featured The Weeknd. Don't say feature, but it's gonna be featured today. You Right. And it's still trending, y'all. Number 25.
That's what's up.
That's what's up. Alright, y'all, let's get into it.
Okay, motherfucking okay, first of all, the fucking visuals is
amazing. Of course, they give her money, y'all. They giving her money
because her creativity, or whoever her creativity team, they be in there.
They do. First of all, like so far, this song reminds me. You know, she got to get on her R&B bag. This song reminds me so much of Streets.
Yeah.
It kind of it ain't Streets. But it reminds me of the R&B flavor, of Streets.
Yeah,
I
get that.
Yeah, I like this so far. Let's get back into it.
Acting like it's not that deep, oh, you can take it out of me. Tell me what it's about to be. Really feel it's bound to be. I can't tell no one, but I got remember I want you. I could remember I want you, and it's just nerves, it's just dick, making me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say. I try to hide it in my face, and it don't work. You see through that I just wanna get with you, and you're right. You're right. I got my but I can't help it. I want you.
First of all, bitch, yes. Put them apps in there. Put all them shits. Put the Ubers in there. Let the motherfuckers pay for these videos. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Put all that stuff in there. She was the first one I seen do the TikTok thing. You remember when TikTok was like first getting. She was the one that put it on her video first. She was the first one I seen do this. Like you better? Shit, you better. But let's finish this up.
Yeah, you right. I got my but I can't help it. I want you.
Girl, I want you like you want me to. I feel that energy when you're on top of me. I know you're mad, he ain't controlling you, but you still hesitate, cause you choose loyalty. I know your history, met him before your peak. He's so connected to that woman that you used to be. But this sex will cloud your memory. A couple strokes to put it in, then you belong to me. I could remember I want you. I could remember I want you. And
We can look good as shit.
First of all, let's start by saying He was talking some shit.
He really was. He said, you met that nigga before your peak. Oh shit, and that shit be true. That shit be true. And it ain't that I don't love you. It's just that I'm at my peak now. This is time for me to experience everything. And like she said, I got a man, but I want you. Like he like, I know you met that nigga at your before your peak. Yeah,
it means like that. You know, shit. It happens.
This nigga talking about 2 strokes. You mine. 2 strokes.
Yo, for real, I love this collaboration.
Yeah.
Like, this is some good R&B.
Right.
Like, you know the Weeknd gonna come in strong as hell.
Uh-huh.
And he did what he needed to do.
And he looked good doing it. Okay. We can't get it. Yeah, he always been fine to me. But let's finish this up. So.
Yeah.
It's just nerves, it's just dick, making me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say. I try to hide it in my face and it don't work. You see through that I just wanna get with you and you're right. Got my guy, but I can't help it. I want you. Yeah, you right. Got my guy, but I can't help it. I want you.
Y'all, that was Doja Cat featuring The Weeknd. What it's called?
I Want You.
You right.
You right.
Yeah, you right. You right. That's what she said the whole time. Look, see, that's what the song called. You right.
I thought it was I Want You. What the fuck?
Nah,
What
but
the shit is that?
at the end of the video, we both was like, is that the same nigga from Need to Know? Did she take that?
He did paint his hair blue and other one, if so, because that looked like him.
Right. Well, love it. I like the song.
Yeah.
I like the song. Weeknd, the collabo, of course he gonna come hard. I like this. And the visuals is fucking amazing.
Like fly. And I like the alien feel. In the same sense, this make you think like literally in the solar system that it could be a planet literally with humans on it.
Right.
It's
that's
so
how
much
good
shit
it looks.
that it can literally look like the aliens and actually the people and stuff that looks like us. I just like it. I just like the visuals and shit.
Me too.
But and overall the song was dope as shit. I love she be switching. She be switching with the R&B, the rock, and I love
and this
that
was like
shit.
familiar with the
This
streets.
is
The only
it.
thing is she didn't rap. Instead of rapping, she put the Weeknd verse on there. But I like this.
I like that she didn't rap though.
Yeah.
I like this.
Okay, Doja. Alright, y'all. You know, love it for me.
But thank you guys for tuning into this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. We get a part of this whole. Did I get a 10? But to get a part of this whole motherfucking mafia. Thank you guys. Remember my